Hey knowledge lovers! Today we're talking about something incredibly practical, the best Coursera certificates that can genuinely help you land a job, and fast. Forget vague career prospects. These 7 programs are built by companies like Google, IBM, and Meta specifically to train you for real, in-demand roles, and several of them connect you directly with employers actively hiring certificate holders. Every single one of these courses is completely online, so you can study from any country in the world, and they all come with their own certification to prove you're job ready. And as always, the links to access the courses will be in the video description. Let's dive in. 1. Google AI Professional Certificate. First up is the Google AI Professional Certificate, Google's newest flagship program built to make you genuinely fluent in AI, not just aware of it. Built by mapping real AI capabilities directly to what the job market is demanding and validated by employers, this 8-course program takes you from basic AI knowledge to being able to use it as a real professional collaborator. Across more than 20 hands-on activities, you'll apply AI to brainstorming, research, writing, content creation, data analysis, and even building your own custom app with no coding experience required. You'll also get 3 months of complimentary access to Google AI Pro to practice everything you learn using Google's most capable models. With around 70% of managers saying AI skills are now critical to their organization's success, this is one of the fastest ways to make your resume stand out in almost any field. 2. Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. Next up is the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate, built for an industry that's chronically short on qualified people. This 8-course program takes you from the absolute basics, threats, risks, and frameworks like the NIST Cybersecurity Framework, all the way to hands-on incident response. You'll build real practical experience through labs, including setting up your own attack and defense environment, preparing you for roles like cybersecurity analyst, SOC analyst, or IT security analyst. In the US, graduates gain access to a hiring consortium of more than 150 employers actively considering certificate holders for open roles, including names like American Express, T-Mobile, and Walmart. If you want a career with genuine job security, this is one of the strongest picks on this entire list. 3. Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. Third on our list is the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate, built to get you into an entry-level marketing job in under 6 months, no degree or experience required. There are currently well over 100,000 open jobs in this field, with a median entry-level salary around $70,000. Across 8 courses and more than 190 hours of instruction, you'll learn SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and marketing analytics, while getting hands-on with real tools like Google Ads, Google Analytics, HubSpot, MailChimp, and Shopify. 75% of graduates report a positive career outcome within 6 months of finishing, and you'll get direct access to a hiring consortium of more than 150 US employers, including names like Deloitte, Walmart, and Google itself. 4. IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. Our 4th pick shifts to IBM, the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate, one of the most comprehensive and popular data programs on all of Coursera. No computer science background is required, and the program now even includes a dedicated generative AI course alongside career and interview prep training. You'll work hands-on with Python, SQL, data visualization, and machine learning using real tools like Jupyter Notebooks and IBM Watson Studio to solve genuine business problems. The program wraps up with a capstone project that becomes the centerpiece of your portfolio, and IBM has built a hiring consortium with Coursera specifically to connect graduates with employers looking to fill data roles. It's a thorough, genuinely respected path into one of tech's most talked about careers. All of these courses can be taken without having to pay for each one, simply by acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription that offers more than 10,000 courses by only paying a monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price will be in the video description. 5. Google UX Design Professional Certificate. Fifth on our list is the Google UX Design Professional Certificate, your entry point into one of tech's more creative, human-centered careers. Across 7 courses, you'll learn the complete UX design process, empathizing with users, building personas and journey maps, and creating wireframes and prototypes using the industry-standard tool, Figma. By the end, you'll walk away with 3 full end-to-end portfolio projects ready to show hiring managers, something most entry-level applicants simply don't have. And just like the other Google certificates on this list, graduates can connect directly with the Google Career Certificates Employer Consortium of over 150 US companies, including Adobe, Lowe's, and Verizon. If you've got a creative eye and a problem-solving mind, this is where those 2 things finally pay off. 6th, IBM Full Stack Software Developer Professional Certificate. 6th on our list is the IBM Full Stack Software Developer Professional Certificate, one of the most complete coding programs on the platform, spanning 15 courses and covering both the front end and back end of modern web development. No prior programming or cloud experience is required, and IBM says you can be job ready in under 4 months. You'll get hands-on with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React on the front end, then move into Node.js, Python, Flask, and Django on the back end, plus cloud-native tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and OpenShift. The program even includes a dedicated generative AI course covering tools like GitHub Copilot and Gemini, and wraps up with a real capstone project you publish to your own GitHub portfolio, plus a full course on interview preparation. For anyone who wants a hands-on, technical career that's constantly in demand, this is a serious contender. 7. Meta Social Media Marketing Professional Certificate. Rounding out our list is the Social Media Marketing Professional Certificate, built directly by Meta, the company behind Facebook and Instagram. This isn't a third party guessing how the platforms work, it's coming straight from the source, and it requires no prior experience to get started. You'll learn how to set SMART goals, manage a real social media presence with a consistent brand voice, and build Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns inside Meta Ads Manager that actually drive business results. The program wraps up with a hands-on capstone project and an industry-recognized credential that carries Meta's name directly on it. If you want to break into social media marketing with a certificate employers immediately recognize, this is about as direct a path as it gets. All of these courses can be taken without having to pay for each one, simply by acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription that offers more than 10,000 courses by only paying a monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price will be in the video description. Until next time, knowledge lovers.